Sketching ellipses. In this task, we sketch an axis-ends ellipse and dimension it using radius dimensions on the major and minor axes. We disable all datum display types. We click Sketch from the datum group. We select datum plane front from the model tree as the sketch plane and click Sketch in the Sketch dialog box. We enable only the following sketcher display types: display dimensions, display constraints, and display vertices. We click Sketch View from the In-Graphics toolbar. We click Axis Ends Ellipse from the sketching group. We click the intersection of the references as the first endpoint of the major axis. We move the cursor to the right and click to define the second endpoint for the major axis. We move the cursor up and click to define the length of the minor axis. We middle-click to stop sketching and notice the default dimensioning scheme. We click Normal. We select the ellipse and then middle-click. We click Major Axis and click Accept. We type 120 as the value and press Enter. We select the ellipse again and then middle-click. We click Minor Axis and click Accept. We type 75 as the value and press Enter. In this task, we sketch a center and axis ellipse and dimension it using length dimensions on the major and minor axes. We select Center and Axis Ellipse. From the Ellipse Types drop-down menu, we click the center of the previous ellipse. We zoom out slightly. We move the cursor up and to the right, and then click to define the endpoint of the major axis. Without permitting the ellipse to snap to existing geometry, we move the cursor and click to define the length of the minor axis. We middle-click to stop sketching and notice the default dimensioning scheme. We click Normal. We select the major axis and middle-click to place the dimension. We type 275 as the value and press Enter. We select the minor axis and middle-click to place the dimension. We type 85 as the value and press Enter. We select the major axis from each ellipse and then middle-click to place the angle. We type 75 as the value and press Enter. We middle-click and then select the dimensions and drag them as shown. We click OK and press Ctrl D to orient to the standard orientation. This completes the demonstration.